Today we will discuss about the experiment number 4 of design concrete structure lab. In this lab we will discuss about the concrete specimen of cylindrical concrete. So what is the experiment of today's lab? So aim of the experiment is to determine the tensile strength of concrete by split test. So what is tensile strength of concrete? Means we have to take the cylindrical specimen for doing this experiment. So what are the apparatus required? First one is iron pan, second one is weighing machine, and next damping rod, cylindrical mold, and cylindrical mold having dimension 150 mm diameter and height is 300 mm. Then compressive testing machine, mixture machine, and next one is last one, travel. So we have to take the concrete mix in a preparation of M15, that is 1:2:4. What is M15? M means the grade of concrete and 15 is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete. So that proportion is 1:2:4, means 1 means cement is to fine aggregate is to coarse aggregate. So 1 cement, 2 sand and 4 is the coarse aggregate. We have to take by volume or by kg or by weight. So here we take weighing machine, so that we are going to take the mixed proportion by its weight. So in order to take 1 means cement, that is we are taking 2.5 kg of cement, 2 fine aggregate, so 2.5 into 2, 5 kg sand, and 4, that is 10 kg of coarse aggregate. We are mixing all these materials with a water cement ratio, that is 0.5 and 0.7, means 50% of cement or 70% of cement weight. So what for 0.5 water is getting 1.25 kg, and for 0.7, that is 70%, so water is 1.75 kg. And we have to mix all the dry concrete thoroughly to get an uniform color, and then after getting that uniform color, then add water to the mixed proportion. And here we are taking 2.5 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, because we are preparing 3 specimens of cylindrical mold for our experiment. We have to prepare 3 specimens of cylindrical mold. So we are taking 2.5 kg cement, 5 kg sand, and 10 kg of coarse aggregate. And required amount of water is for 50%, that is 1.25 kg, and for 0.7, that is 70%, equals to 1.75 kg. So we have to find out the tensile strength, split tensile strength of concrete in a cylindrical specimen. So what is split tensile strength of concrete? That is 2p by pi d into L, where p is the load applied, maximum load applied, d is the diameter of that cylindrical mold, and L is the length of that mold. So we know p is in Newton and d is in mm. Here d is in mm, d is in mm, and length is also in mm. So Newton divided by mm into mm square, that is Newton per mm square. So split tensile strength formula is 2p by pi dl, and unit is Newton per mm square. P is the maximum load applied. Here D is the diameter of the cylinder, that is 150 mm. We are taking 150 mm. And length L is the length of cylinder, that is 300 mm. And take 3 specimen, as I discussed earlier. Take 3 specimen to determine the average load. We have to prepare 3 specimen, and after preparing 3 specimen, we will calculate the average tensile strength. What is the average tensile strength of that concrete? So next move to this procedure. So what will we do? First prepare the concrete according to its mixed proportion. That is, here we are taking 1:2:4, that is M15 concrete. Prepare the concrete according to its mixed proportion. Then after we are going to put the concrete into that iron plate. After mixing in a mixture machine, we have to mix all these proportions in a mixture machine, and when we are getting uniform color, and after adding that water, required amount of water, the concrete is now thoroughly mixed, and after thorough mix of concrete, we put that concrete into that iron pan. And after getting that concrete mix in that iron pan, we have to place the concrete in that cylindrical mold in 3 layers, and we have to apply 25 number of strokes with that help of a tamping rod. With the help of a tamping rod, we have to apply 25 number of strokes uniformly distributed throughout the cross section of that cylindrical mold. Then after 24 hours, the cube specimen removed from that mold and put in water for 28 days of curing. And after 28 days, the specimen removed from that water, and we have to dry that specimen and take the weight of each specimen for our laboratory work. Then take the specimen into compressive test machine. After that we have to take the specimen into our compressive testing machine for taking the tensile strength of that cylindrical mold. So now all these are ready. So we are now moving to our laboratory for how to calculate the tensile strength of that concrete. We have a machine, that is compressive test machine. So let us move. These are the apparatus, that is, this is the cylindrical mold having diameter 15 centimeter or 150 mm, and the height is, that is 30 centimeter or 300 mm. Tamping rod, and this is trowel, and this is the hand scoop for lifting the concrete into the cylindrical mold, and this is the iron tray to collect the concrete mix after mixing with the concrete mixture machine, and this is the compressive testing machine, and this is the weighing machine, and this is the concrete mixing machine. Put the concrete through this hand scoop into the cylinder in 3 layers. We have to put like 3 layers, and we have to apply 25 number of blows to that concrete in each layer with uniform distributed load. And after that we have to, suppose this is now filled with concrete, and we have to then keep it for 24 hours with that cylindrical mold, and after that we have to remove all these fasteners so that the concrete mold can be released, and after that we will put this concrete mold into our curing pond for curing up to 28 days, and 28 days we have to keep take the dry weight of that 3 cylindrical mold, and after taking the dry weight we will keep the cylindrical mold in parallel, not vertical. We will place the cylindrical mold in parallel with this apparatus, that is compression testing machine, and after placing we will lock that door and take the split tensile load of that specimen, cylindrical specimen. So this is all about our experiment, how to determine the tensile strength of concrete by split tensile test. So thank you guys for watching this, and have a good day. Thank you all.